In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change GST on Shopify, whether your business has a new GST registration number, or you just need to correct what's on file. I'll walk you through the exact path in your Shopify admin and share a few tips so everything updates cleanly across invoices and checkout. First, sign into your Shopify admin using an account that has permission to manage taxes. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the bottom left corner of the screen for the gear icon. That's the settings area. Click it to open your store's settings. Inside settings, choose taxes and duties. This is the place where Shopify centralizes country-specific tax settings, including GST for regions that use it, such as India, Australia, New Zealand, and Singapore. On this page, you'll see a list of countries or regions where you've set up tax collection. Find the country where you collect GST and select it. If your store collects GST in more than one country, be sure you're working on the correct one so the change applies to the right market. To the right of the country entry, you'll notice a three-dot menu, sometimes called the overflow menu. Click those three dots to open more actions. From that menu, choose Edit GST Information. This opens a small panel where you can update your registered GST number. Carefully type the new number exactly as it appears on your official registration. Pay attention to formatting rules for your country, including any prefixes, capitalization, or character lengths. If your registration includes leading zeros, make sure you include them. It's also a good idea to confirm that your legal business name in Shopify matches your registration records, as mismatches can create issues on invoices and with tax authorities. When you're confident the number is correct, click Save. After saving, Shopify will use your updated GST number anywhere it's referenced, such as on tax invoices, order details, and relevant tax reports. In most cases, the change is immediate, but allow a moment for it to propagate across your admin and storefront. If you're not seeing the update on an invoice preview, refresh the page and try again. If the Edit GST Information option isn't visible, double check that you selected the correct country and that you're in the Taxes and Duties section. You may also need appropriate staff permissions to edit tax registrations, and as a best practice, keep your GST number secure and share it only where required for compliance. That's it. You've successfully updated your GST number in Shopify. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your tax settings accurate and compliant.